this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do a little show and tell video of a kit that is already listed in my Etsy. I do have a video showing the papers, but that is just a video with the images that I created with a video editing program, but I didn't show them to you printed. Now I have to say, I printed this on a sort of yellowish paper. I did this on purpose, but just so you know, I used this paper, and normally I print on this paper. So this is white, and this is more like with a creme color in it. And as you can see, this is what I used. So it does change the colors, not very much, but a little, I think. But I liked it because I wanted to have like a real vintage vibe, so that's why I used that paper. It comes in US letter size, and it also comes in A4 size. It has 23 pages with tickets, receipts, different things. Some I printed twice. I honestly don't know why. But I do know that my printer had issues because it went in, well, not lined up in the middle, so I cut off half of my prints at some things that I printed. But this is in, so this is actually one of the papers. Then we have this one. So a lot of background cards, receipts, recipes, prescription, exam sheet, library cards, time cards, different things with a lot of yeah, you can use them in a lot of different options, or there are a lot of different options to use them, but they also come in different colors, which I absolutely like. I'm just going over all of them. You have a boat ticket, some envelopes, playing cards, note, toy store, custom declaration, an invoice, a telegram, another telegram. This is different than this one. Tax invoice, exam, answering sheet, and then you also have the mini size. So I added minis in this too, so you have smaller things to play with. And this is in my Etsy now under the July listings. That means that you can use these in the challenges too, and actually win kits with these in the hosting Facebook groups. So yeah, these are the papers, and I think I will go have a play with these this afternoon. Well, it's going to be afternoon for you. For me, it's going to be my 8 in the Netherlands, but I'm going to do a live video today. And I thought, just before I start cutting up all the elements for that video, let me show you the papers real quick, printed, so you have a better option to see what is actually in this. This is double, so that doesn't count, but in this kit. Yeah, and I will leave a link to the Etsy store down below this video, and there's also a link that will take you to the hosting Facebook groups, also to the design team members that are working with the papers, and also to my links that I have on Ko-Fi and everything. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, maybe you want to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want to. I really like reading comments. And if you're new to the channel, maybe you want to be a subscriber, I would really appreciate it. I am trying my hardest to get to 10K, maybe at the end of the year. I'm not sure if it will ever happen, but we will see. But yeah, this is it for today. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.